Monsteras with their beautiful Swiss cheese look are just fantastic, and everybody loves to use them as houseplants. But how do you take care of them? Hi, I'm Lauren Kane and I'm the founder of Elm Dirt, and I'm here to share some tips on how to take care of your Monstera in your home. I know we have one in the office that is absolutely huge. It's a showstopper and everybody loves to take care of them. And here's some things you didn't know about Monsteras. They actually originated in the rainforest, so they love humid environments, but they don't love bright direct sunlight. So because they are used to being on the rainforest floor, they actually like somewhat of a darker indirect sunlight spot in your house. So it's okay to place them away from the window and deeper into your house. As long as they're getting some sunlight, they'll be okay. Now, with any plant, you're going to want to make sure that you water only when the soil is dry. So you want to do the finger test where you stick your finger in about an inch or so deep into the soil and see if it's wet. And that's when you want to water. And that'll help prevent a lot of the yellowing leaves that you might see. Sometimes those yellow leaves mean too wet, sometimes they mean too dry. And it also helps prevent root rot because you don't want them to sit in wet all the time. And then the other kind of things you're looking for here is you want them to climb. So if you've got climbing posts for them to climb on, they're gonna like that. If you start to see them get a little leggy, where you're seeing a lot of space between the new leaves that are coming out, you're gonna wanna move it a little bit closer to the window. Now, I know there's a lot of things to pay attention to with even just plants in general, because a lot of those are general tips for plants, but it's really quite easy. Once you find that spot and then you start it on a watering routine, I promise you will find it easy. And then we use our plant juice on ours in our office, and it likes to sprout brand new leaves every once in a while. It's always so fun to see those come out, and they're nice and big, and then they unfurl, and you just get so happy as a plant parent to see those Monstera leaves coming out. Now, if you notice that your Monstera leaves are crispy at the edges, maybe it's got some brownness there, maybe it's a little dry in your environment. And so there are humidifiers that you can put next to the plants that can help keep those brown edges from appearing and help keep your plants happy in a humid environment like it would have in the rainforest. Now, if you got any questions on Monsteras itself, feel free to leave a comment, reach out to us, support@elmdirt.com, and also go check out my blog on how to take care of Monsteras, and check out all the other ones out there because I've got some really good stuff, and I'm going to be posting more videos soon on more specific plant topics on how to best take care of your plants, how to grow them indoors, outdoors, and whatever types of plants you got. So stay tuned.